Hey traders, how's going on? It's Brian here from Wave Forex. In today's video, I would like to share with you my analysis on the pound dollar GBPUSD. So this is the weekly time frame. So I have plotted some key level on this weekly time frame. So they are the strong key level. So we can see that on the latest trend, on the latest price, the candle was rejected by this weekly key level. Okay, you can see from here the price rejected. Over here it closed above the support area. Okay, let me zoom into daily time frame. So this is the daily time frame. From here we can see there are several rejections from the downside. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 rejections. This is the high of the daily time frame. Okay. So as long as the price doesn't close below, if the price doesn't close below, we could see a potential that the price will go higher. Okay. In the event if the price is able to close below this support level, then we could expect the price to further go to the next key level on the 1.987 level. Alright, so let us zoom into 4-hour time frame. Let me make it bigger for you. Okay, so this is the pound dollar 4-hour time frame. This is the high of the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so what does it mean that if the price break up this level, break and close above, okay, if the price break and close above, we could see the price might go higher to test this level. Okay, because earlier the price broken the previous support. The price might retest this area again. Okay, let me remove all these first. So in the event if the price is unable to break up, let's say if the price retests, it didn't break up, it closed below. If it closed below this resistance area, we could expect the price to come back down to retest this bottom area. Okay, so we can see some noises over here. However, these are the rejection from the daily time frame. Okay, so if you can see a close below this support area in the daily time frame, we could expect the price to go to the next downside target, which is this 1.1987 area. So this is the overview of this pair in this week. So we could see the price is actually in a range. So we need to see the price either they break up or break down for a further downside target. So I hope this quick analysis will help you to understand how I analyze the market. If you like my analysis and would like to see more of this in the future, please follow me and comment below that you hope to see more of this type of quick analysis. Thanks, and I wish you forever in profit. Bye.